मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप वेल you are all are fine. Okay, my dear kids, stay safe in the home. Okay, obey your parents. Okay, have you learned the first lesson notes, everything? Have you learned? Have you write and learn? Have you finished? Some students only send notes for me. Please write and finish it and send to me. Okay, my dear kids, I'll correct it and give. Okay, let's we finished the first lesson. Today we are going to learn the second lesson. Okay, my dear kids, all take your textbooks. All take your textbook. Page number 8. What is the title of the lesson? नील गगन पर चमके तारे. नील गगन पर चमके तारे. Write the date on the up of it. Please write the date on the up of it, 17/10/2020, and Shanivar. Day is Saturday, Shanivar. Okay, let's go to the lesson. Listen carefully and read with me, my dear kids. Try to read. नील गगन पर चमके तारे, सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे, कभी दिखते ढेरों सारे, लगते करते खूब इशारे. Once more. नील गगन पर चमके तारे, सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे, कभी दिखते ढेरों सारे, लगते करते खूब इशारे. नील गगन. What is the meaning of नील गगन? नील गगन. Neel means blue. Gagan means sky. Blue sky. Neel gagan means blue sky. Then chamke, shine. Shine. Tare, stars. Stars. Okay, Neel Gagan par chamke tare means stars shining on the blue sky. Blue sky. Neel Gagan, blue sky. Chamke, shine. Tare, stars. So, stars are shining on the blue sky. Sundar Sundar Pyare Pyare. Sundar means beautiful. Pyare means lovely. So, how it looks? It looks so beautiful and also very lovely. It looks so lovable. Then third line, कभी दिखते ढेरों सारे. कभी दिखते ढेरों. ढेरों means a lot. A lot means कभी दिखते ढेरों सारे. कभी means sometimes. Sometimes we are seeing that more will be there. A lots of stars will be there, isn't it? We can see on the up, isn't it? The skies. If we are at night time, if we are going outside and seeing on the up, means more stars will be there. Sometimes only little will be there, isn't it? Then लगते करते खूब इशारे. खूब इशारे. इशारे means gestures. Sometimes it is showing gestures. Gestures means actions. It is showing actions and all. Simply they are telling, blinking and all. No? So they are telling that it is showing what gestures, actions and all. Then नील गगन पर चमके तारे, सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे, कभी दिखते ढेरों सारे, लगते करते खूब इशारे. Means नील गगन, shining, stars are shining on the blue sky and it is so beautiful and also lovely. Sometimes it will be so many stars will be there and also it is showing gestures. Okay, my dear kids, have you understood that 4 lines? Okay. Next page. Take next page. 9th page. चंदा के संग चलते रहते, सर्दी गर्मी सहते रहते, भाता इनको आना जाना, आँख चबकते चट छिप जाना. More. चंद के संग चलते रहते. चंदा के संग चलते रहते, सर्दी गर्मी सहते रहते, भाता इनको आना जाना, आँख चबकते चट छिप जाना. Then next, what is Chanda? Chanda, what we learned in the first lesson. What is that Chanda? Moon, isn't it? Moon. Sang means what? Sang? With. With. Sang means with. So, Chand ke sang. Sang chalte rahte. With the moon. It is the stars are with the whom? Stars are with the stars are moving with the moon, isn't it? Chalte rahte means it is moving with the moon. Chanda ke sang chalte rahte. It is moving with the moon. Sardi garmi sahte rahte. Sardi means cold. Sardi means cold. Garmi means hot. Sahte, sahna means suffer. So sardi garmi sahte rahte means chanda ke sang chalte rahte. With the moon only it is moving. The stars are moving with the moon. And what on the next word, sardi garmi sahte rahte. It is suffering. What and all it is suffering? Cold even it is suffering. Hot also it is suffering. Hot also means also no problem for it. Then even it is suffering everything. It is tolerating. What and all tolerating? Hot also tolerating. Hot season also. If it is heat also it is tolerating, and also cool also it is tolerating. Bhata inko ana jana. Bhata means pleasing. Aank chabakte. Aank means eye. Eye. Chabakte, blink. Chat chip jana. Chat means quick. Then chip jana, hide. Okay, so Phata inko ana jana. When it is coming also, going also, we are feeling so happy, pleasing. It is getting, we are getting pleasant mind when the stars are coming and all. Then aank chapakte chat chip jana. What is happening when we are blinking the eyes itself, it is hiding somewhere. Quickly it is hiding somewhere. Aank chipakte. When we are blinking our eyes itself, it is hiding quickly. It is hiding somewhere. So stars are shining on the sky, and it is very beautiful and also lovely. Then sometimes it is coming very. It will be very lot. It will be, then after that it's showing gestures and all. Then it is moving with whom? Moon. And also it is getting heat even, cold even. It is suffering everything. It is tolerating everything. And when it is coming and going itself, we are getting pleasure. We are getting happiness. Then when we are blinking our eyes itself, it quickly hiding somewhere. So that much only this lesson, my dear kids. Then if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, my dear kids. Then learn for the class home test on next week and prepare well. Okay, my dear kids. Then anything else if you want to ask me, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. And those who didn't finish the notes, please finish the notes and take a snapshot and send it to me. Please watch the video carefully, my dear kids. If you have any doubt, you can ask me without any hesitations. I'll be there. I'll clarify everything, my dear kids. So please come and meet me in the Zoom interaction. You can clear your doubts and finish the notes and send it to me very fastly. Then prepare for the exam also, for the home test also. Okay, my dear, that is not like big exam and all, small exam only. So learn for that. Write and learn, my dear kids. Don't allow to get any mistakes in that. Okay, my dear kids. Today it's over. That's enough for you. Okay, my dear kids. Dhanyavad.